Hi everyone. We are seeing different theories of learning. There was stimulus and response pairing, learning by trial and error, learning by imitation, constructivism, zone of proximal development, discovery learning. Now we are in microscopic level. Now we are talking about a single cell. I know that you know the name of this. It's a single neuron. It's a neuron. There's a head part and a tail part which is connected through your body, myelin sheath. So a neuron can talk to another neuron. This is called as neurotransmitter or neuronal communication. The communication is through dendrite to axon. It is by sodium and potassium cells or ions. It happens through a part called as synapse. Every learning is a neuronal connection. So a learning is now a pairing between one neuron to the another neuron. If you learn apple, there is a pairing. If you learn about an elephant, there is a pairing. If you learn about a concept, there is a pairing. You learn about a boiling point or melting point, or if you learn about speed, velocity, light, etc. So there is a connection. There is a connection between one neuron and another neuron. This connection is called as a neuronal connection, a neuronal transmission. And learning is nothing but neuronal connection. Billions of neurons with us. The longest neuron is in our spinal cord to toe. That is the longest neuron in our body. So now learning is nothing but a neuronal connection. So if it is happen again and again, it is strengthened. And if you could able to light up and if you're able to fire neurons, which means that you are learning. Okay. So a monkey sees an action and it does an action, everything by neuronal firing. So this we call it as learning. So a neuronal connection is not, it's a dynamic. It is not static. So it is a dynamic. That's why it's called as neuronal plasticity. It can able to reorganize. It can able to fire. So it can able to connect, reorganize, regroup, restructure. So that's we call as neuronal plasticity. And it is true that we not only learn whatever it comes with us through genes, it's called innate. We also learn which are not innate also, which is not by birth also. That is called as non-innate, which shows that neuronal is plastic. So it can reorganize, regroup, restructure itself to learn new things. Okay, so that we call it as neuroplasticity because it leads to learn non-innate things. Otherwise, we will not able to learn non-innate things. Even we can learn when we are aged. So that's why it's called adult neurogenesis. Neuro means neurogenesis, the production of neurons. It's called neurogenesis. Even it can happen in hippocampus, even in age stage. When we grow up, also it happens. That we call it as adult neurogenesis. And we have seen plenty of definitions on learning. Now, with a large input, we can see that learning is nothing but between nothing but. I hope you can finish it. It is nothing but it is a connection between a neuron and a neuron. Thank you so much.